you know, we might get a top slot coin flip. That could be 100x. Oh, coin flip 50x.
Ooh, coin flip with a 15x on top.
Ladies and gentlemen, ooh, yes. I love it. I love it. I love it.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Have a soul's number, a soul's lucky number. Mine, for example, are 33 and 6. Oh, 10. That's a big boy then. 25x top slot. Yo. Number 10, sir.
This is the amount of money issued, 97,521 euros.
Baby bang bang. Good old 10. That's a big boy. 1,000 of you support the 10-incher. Woo! Oh, bang, bang. That's a good old 10, providing some pizza, coffee, sushi, and
Get an extra home bet. Let's go. Hello, Basketball is good luck. Hi everyone. Percussion with 5 packs. And we got another good bonus. Would be nice. Would be nice. Change the dealer. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a cash hunt with 5x multiplier from Topslot. Woo! Yes! Yes! Oh. Nice. Okay, and the maximum multiplier is 500x. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen. For those who don't know, you choose pick or shoot one of the symbols. If you didn't pick, there will be out topic for you, so decide which one is better option for you. Yeah. And now decision time. Take your time. Choose one of the symbol. I'm choosing this rabbit in this corner. Let's see what I will get. No final seconds for you. And let's see the multiplier. Show.
This is the amount of money issued, 62,743 euros.
That's a 500x. We have 10 players with 500x in total, 1,406 winners. Congratulations and compliments, and let's go back.
Open again. So well around 379. CAC, I'm ready. You are the 5 minutes of left. No, do not leave. I need to leave. I need to leave. Like, look, everyone wants. Like, all the players, they want that to leave. My brain is freezing. They're saying that I should leave, so I think I'm going to leave soon. Coin flip at 5x Topslot. I do not want you. I need to leave, Pachito. I need to leave. What about the coin flip? Looks great. I'm not going to lie. It looks super great. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh yeah. Welcome to the coin flip. The coin flipito machinito. A coin with red and blue side. This time we're going to choose the red one. Okay. 50 red. 2 blue. Wait a minute. 250 red, 10 blue. Oh, wait a minute. Someone is calling me.
This is the amount of money issued, 158,075 euros.
Okay. So, 250 on the red side. Congratulations to all the winners. Enjoy. Let's go back to the wheel. You have unlucky hands. Hey, this host, he has some
Ladies and gentlemen, a crazy time with a 5x multiplier. Now we're talking.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you're ready. Come on. Come on. This is amazing. Let's make the magic happen. 5x in a crazy time. There we go. Biggest wheel in the world, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully you're happy to see it. Here comes the red door. We open it. Ayo, let's just hope that this crazy time with a 5x is not going to be as disappointing as the pachinko with a 4x that we just had, right? Come on, actually something good. Actually something decent, please. Mr. Penguins, I believe in you guys. Make your decisions, guys. 3 different colors to choose from: green, blue, and yellow. Let's make it happen. Alright guys, you ready? 500x in the corner. That's going to be the highest one. Take it away.
This is the amount of money issued: 256,326 euros.
500x for the yellow.
How's a crazy time with 15x? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, crazy time with 15x multiplier from Topslot. Did you expect this? I did not expect this. Ladies and gentlemen, oh yes! I love it, I love it, I love it! Okay, decision time. You need to choose one of the flapper. Green, blue, yellow, which one do you like the most? And of course, blue is the most popular one. Okay, final seconds, and the maximum multiplier is 1,500x. We have double on yellow flapper. And the maximum multiplier is 3,000x.
This is the amount of money issued: 360,838 euros.
25x, 300x, and 1,500x. Woo! 1,252 winners. I'm shocked.
Hey, Trench, top betting time is on. I was listening to you. I never have anything good to talk about, so don't. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, coin flip with a 15x on Topslot. Is it? Please? Yeah! Sorry, I got too excited. Coin flip. Sorry to headphone users. I bet you did not expect that, right? First, we got to see what kind of X's. 25 and 3. Got to multiply it by 15, right? 375, 45, 45 is the lowest possible. Please.
This is the amount of money issued: 1,607,216 euros.
Highest win today? Is it highest win? Did I do it? Am I the leader? 9,500 over you won in top Hector. Prigodillo Serioja. 82, 34, 28, 25, 19,000 euro wins. Betting time's on. Hi to newcomers, welcome. Woo!
Betting time. A lot of coin flips with low. I mean, it's coin flip. We got many coin flips, right? 4 coin flips on the wheel. And you can bet it You can bet on coin flip with a chance that, we might get a top slots coin flip. That could be 100x. Oh, coin flip 50x. Oh, come on. Please be coin flip. Please be coin flip. Come on, go. Coin flip. 50x, guys. No way, let's go. Hey. Coin flip 50x. Well, see, let's do it. I'll show you something nice. Be something nice. Come on. 3 and 7x, but, 350 and 150. Be red.
This is the amount of money issued: 1,318,777 euros.
X, brother. Flip-o-matic is on fire tonight.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.